love, all it does is tear me apart.